Alright, so let's have a fun run! Lalaoy. Okay, so this is it, of course, for your first at the San Lorenzo Diacono Parish of Aglayan. Yeah, this is it.
Sige lang, ewa pa na premium. Napay ads.
Mga dagway sa...
Pag mo italik yun.
I-off lang yung meron. Ayaw. Hindi lang.
Okay. Ready. In the count of 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, go! Okay, good luck that game.
Dagan kay sila ba? May dagan kay 10K. Ay, grabe. Power kay sila.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, good luck that game. Good luck. At pagkalino ito ko rubber band, ha? Okay, sure tayo. Baktas. Good luck, man. Oh, tricky.
Balik na to ron.
Stiga ay. Ano, grabe man ni sila. Uy. As in, 10K, kabalik na. Wow. Wow, power. Yeah.
Dito maghatag sa lastik ko.
Pwede dua ni mo. Isa pa, ay pa isa. Picture dahil nga na nilastik ko. Ay, sorry, napunin ko. Ay, wala pa doon. Sige, isa na.
Wala na outro ni, wala na po ni sa middle.
Aglayan naman, aglayan ni Dagan.
Aglayan ni. Dito na siya, makita siya. Alright. So, sawa pa ni nagsugod. Pakalagway sa midaan sa mga kauban sa Senior San Roque Chapel. With my hubby and brother Phil. In front sa Parish Church at Aglayan. Ready na ang runners? Ready na? Ready na? Ready na? Ready na, Ella? Start! Okay. Mo ni pinaka-importante sa fun run. Magpahulagway sa start o sa finish. Okay. Fun run for fate. I run for 3K and my husband Jimmy run for 5K. And so will your brother. This is the 10K runners. I salute all the 10K runners. Amazing. You did so amazing. Amazing, Ella. So this is the 10K, the 5 km run. Dito taman sa Linabo. Linabo ba? So sinang Genie, ay power man kanya sila managan oy. In fairness, going to na-miss did ko aning 10K runners oy. Si Tito Jimmy oh. O kani grabe hangos na gid ani nga time. So this is it, going to the unahan sa tulay, going to Linabo. Alright, mga pangulagway, papictures sa finish. Dili kompleto kung mga hulagway sa finish. Sa finish line, there is a fun run for fate. So that's okay, palagway sa vlogger nga taga aglayan yung kamangahan.
Nalagi si Ma'am Grace.
Kaila ka anak ni Ma'am Grace? Who is Ma'am Grace?
Kato, kani siya. Oh, bye. Kasi guys.
Wow.
Ma'am Grace, naka...
Wow. Ano yun? Okay. Alright. Alright. Sinang GC. Alright. Papalagway. Naunsa si Tito. Nag-snack. Wow.
Waman, may tagaan.
Oh, tuwa oh. Tugs, 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 background, tugs. Tugs, tugs. Oh, congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations to all the winners of 3K, 5K, and 10K run. Sugakod. Kanya lang sugakod. Ay si Tiyay Pinkay. And with the team with the father Bob na photo op of cars. This is it. This is it. Mga pahulagway. Memories. We run for memories. Okay. This is my brother Fausery. Okay. Oh, nice ka ayo. Run, fall, faint. Kanta na lang till I love you.
You say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise it I will promise.
May mga kauban ni Lola Lita, katikis. Alright, so mo ni mga friends ni Lola Lita. Oh, she miss Lola Lita. Yes, you love me too. Yeah, thank you for watching.